Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Friday the 30th of December 2016. So yesterday we had the market moving sharply initially, then the market pulled back. We had a buy signal that actually went on to the scalp. This is before the crude oil figures were out at 4 p.m. The market then traded sideways for a bit, put in a sell signal, and we saw this one move down lower as well and hit the target before the crude oil figures came out. I also sent a note out at this point to say the market's going sideways and forgetting the rest of the day, and the market more or less did that. It came back down to the 19,800 level, so we're 200 points at the moment, well 150 as you look on the overnight, away from the 20,000 level. And in the daily chart you can see there's a very interesting thing going on here. You've got the down day there of Wednesday. Thursday the volume is greater, the range is less than the previous day, so there's some buying in this bar, and we see the market starting to move back to the upside. So the other day when I actually put in the fib retracements, we can now put them in because we have the bottom left behind. Now I'm just going to save this, and what we're looking for is the market to trade back above the 76% more so than the 62. I'll just remove the 62 for the time being. The 76 is more accurate in my opinion. So we've got the situation here, we're above the 20 bar average, we've got some buying in this bar, the market's moving higher on the overnight. We've got to take out the 76% retracement if we're going to have a go at the 20,000 psychological level here. Let's see what we've got news-wise today. Nothing. It's Chicago PMI out at 245. That's not showing a lot there, to be honest. A medium impact news item as well, so it's going to be down to whatever they can use to move the markets to get them to the upside there. On the implied volatility, we've got this at 11:30. You can see how this has been turning up there. There was obviously concerns the market was going to sell off following Wednesday's down day, but then the market found support yesterday. Even though the implied volatility has moved higher, they know there's a down move coming, there's no doubts about that. It's just a case of getting through New Year's Eve, obviously, which will be tomorrow, and then back to normal from Tuesday. The markets will be closed on Monday in Europe. I don't know about the US. I won't know until I turn on Monday morning. There doesn't seem to be anything I can find on that one. Last week they closed for the Monday because Christmas was on the Sunday, so they may use that same precedent this Monday as well, but only time will tell. But Tuesday back to normal. I think that's when the fun and the party is certainly going to start. In the 6-month implied, again you can see how this is moving up sharply, having made the lows during the pre-Christmas time there, the last couple of weeks before Christmas. Certainly is a concern that we are due for a major correction in the market following the Trump rally and also the Santa rally. And the 1 year chart there, you can see how on other occasions during the last year we've had these big spikes where the market's then sold off. We've got these lows, and then this is followed by a bit of a sell-off in the market. You can see how much the market's moved since Trump was inaugurated on the 20th of January. Right, that's it for today. There's not a lot else to report. Like I said, we're back to normal from Tuesday. Always difficult to call between the Christmas and New Year period because of the lack of liquidity and players in the market at the time, but certainly Tuesday would be most welcome so we can get back to normal, and then we should see a significant increase in volatility and action. Right, that's it. As ever, thanks for your support, also for watching, and also take this opportunity wishing you all the very best for the coming year 2017 as we go into the New Year's Eve and New Year celebrations this coming weekend. So all the very best to all of you, and as ever, thanks for your support. Also taking time to actually watch these videos, it's very much appreciated. I will see you on Tuesday. As ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.